Alright, we used our 24-inch pipe wrench to get big enough to get this nut off. And you can see where the threads are pretty well messed up right there. So, let's try this. What we're going to do is see if we can work this back on there. Straight. Perfect. First, we stick it back in the toilet. I think we got it. Alright, I think that'll work. I think that will work. Alright. We're going to put some, makes me put some Teflon on them threads, huh, just in case. Should have my wider Teflon, we don't have it. So. So you want to wrap with the threads. Wrap with the threads. Wrap with the threads. That way, just in case. Let's try that. Let's try that. Alright, let's try that. Stick her back in there. So it's going to be turned like that, almost touching the back. Thread it on there. Nice and easy. So I just run across it right there, right there. I can get taller. Like that. Yeah, that's better. We'll hand tight it as far as we can go. Alright. That feels better. Alright, we'll just give it a little chance with our pipe wrench. Let's try it. Alright, now we need our closet bolts. Closet bolt. Washer. Washer. Nut. Which even these Chinese nuts are trying to cross thread. Alright. That's like sitting funny. Well, that's just the washer, that's right. Alright, use our custom wrench. I guess you also use a ratcheting wrench, don't you? We just want to be snug also, not too tight, just snug. Alright. Just nice and smooth, not crazy tight. I need a dishwasher on here. Gotta get it to snap around where it sits flush against the body. Alright, we gotta get something better. There. Alright, then we come over here. And we got our thingy doodle set. I guess put one in the back, one in the front, right. Alright, washers and wing nuts. The bolts actually rut on the china bowl that going through. The space isn't quite right in the tank. Alright. One washer and wing nut. The wing nut's actually harder to start than a regular nut. Alright, everything's here. Put it back on. Alright, now let's kind of tighten it down even. What it reveals the same on both sides. If you just finger tighten them, no tools. A little pressure with your hand on top. Alright. Nice and smooth. Finger tight. Don't like it. Tight. Alright. Now we'll hook up water supply. No tools either. See how this works. Alright, just hand tight on that also. Hold up on your fill valve. Hold the valve all the way. Check for leaks. Swing it loose. So good. Alright, we have to put the handle back in. And that's how you fix a bad flush valve nut from the factory. Thanks for watching.